This is Dan
From Gear Diary?
from Gear Diary.
Hey, and I'm Charles from Gear Diary.
And Charles and I have looked at a bunch of electric bikes so far. We've looked at road bikes. We've looked at off-road bikes. We've looked at folding electric bikes. We reviewed a trike, an electric trike, but we have never before reviewed a mid-drive bike, and that's what this is. This is the Heybike Alpha. It has an MSRP of $1,699, but it's currently on sale. It is a mid-drive bike, and well, we'll talk more about it once we get it set up. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
So this is the Heybike Alpha. It is a mid-drive bike. So the motor is there. It has a 500 watt motor, but because it's mid-drive, it's actually got over 105 Newton meters of torque. It's got these huge tires. We'll go into the details in the written review, but it's got these huge tires. It comes with everything. This really nice rack, a tie-down strip, the lights, a color display, a new arrangement for all the controls, which is amazing. This 8-speed Shimano shifter, this really nice throttle. Although this bike, you cannot use throttle only for safety reasons, but we'll go into that in the written review. Charles.
Wow, this display is really nice in bright sunlight, completely easy to read. I love how open this is because you know you're going to want to mount other things to it, and very nice. All right, let's give it a try.
So different to see the chain moving that way.
Yeah, I like it. It has a cafe racer kind of feel to it, doesn't it?
It does.
Really nice. Very pretty. I love the color.
They do the quality of their stuff is really high.
Yeah.
And I mean, look, it's on sale right now. I think it's like under $1,500 for this thing, which I would say is a pretty good value.
Yeah.
So this is more for somebody who wants to like ride, but have power.